Welcome to the Media Club of Marello Public School. Hearty greetings to all our well-wishers. I am Anabini of Class 8D. Today's news headlines are: School's Annual Day was celebrated on 21st of December 2024. Melodic tribute to the legendary singer P. Jayachandran was conducted in commemoration of his memory on 14th January. SLC and science exhibitions were conducted on 31st of January. Mabuvu Malayalam Pratibha Puraskaram was received on 8th of February and Pratibha Milan Rashtrabhasha District Award was received on 19th of February. Momtastic 25 Retro Show was held on 1st of March.
I'm Sarah Rivera of Class 8A, presenting you the news in detail. The Pratibha Milan Rashtrabhasha District Award is an accolade presented by the Deshiya Hindi Academy to schools that promote Hindi learning and have a significant number of students participating in the scholarship examination. On 2nd of November 2024, 222 students from Marello Public School attended this examination and achieved success. The principal of our school, Reverend Father Anuj Panakal, and Hindi department teachers received the Pratibha Milan Rashtrabhasha Award from the Honorary MLA Sri V. Shashi at the award ceremony conducted by the Deshiya Hindi Academy at Trivandrum.
Momtastic 25 Retro Show. The foundational section of our school conducted the most vibrant Momtastic Retro Show to honor the active role played by all the mothers in the life of an individual.
This program was in connection with the International Women's Day, upholding the importance of mothers in the growth of her child. The stage remained to be an open platform for all the mothers to exhibit their talents along with the love and care for their kids. Momtastic 25 was not just a celebration, but it aimed to encourage gender equality and to build up a more inclusive, fair and empowering society for all. SLC and Science Exhibition. SLC for classes up to 4 and Science Exhibition for classes 5 to 9 was held on 31st of January to enhance students' self-reflection and responsibility for learning. SLC was an innovative approach to traditional parent-teacher meeting, where students took charge of discussing their academic progress, strengths, challenges, and learning goals.
Look inside the pot. There was very little water.
Science exhibition was successfully conducted, showcasing the creativity, innovation, and scientific temperament of students. The event also aimed to encourage experiential learning, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills among students. The active participation and enthusiasm of students made both the events a remarkable success.
Of endometrium and other minerals from the body. The starting of menstruation is known as menarche. It starts usually between the age of 12 to 16, and the complete stoppage of menstruation is known as menopause.
In a woman's cycle, the shedding of the thick lining of the uterus, the endometrium is shed. This occurs throughout the
Annual Day. On 21st of December 2024, our annual day was celebrated with great pomp and show. It was a day of celebration highlighting the talents, achievements, and hard work of our students throughout the academic year. The event brought together students, teachers, parents, and special guests. Reverend Father Sebastian Jacobi, our provincial superior, Reverend Father Baiju Tereparambil, our school manager, Mrs. Minmini, the playback singer, Mrs. Mini Raju, Nyarakal Panchayat President, all in one frame in a grand celebration of learning, culture, and creativity. The annual day fostered a sense of unity and pride among students and staff. It was a memorable occasion that reflected the students' commitment to academic excellence, cultural heritage, and all-round development of each member associated with the school. The Mambo Malayalam Pratibha Puraskaram. The Malayalam Pratibha Puraskar examination was held in our school on 2nd of November 2024 to encourage students to excel in Malayalam language. More than 300 students attended this examination, which aimed to promote linguistic skills, cultural awareness, and literary appreciation among students. The event also motivated the students to take pride in their mother tongue, participate in future language and literacy competitions, contributing to the preservation and promotion of Malayalam language. 65 students achieved A grade and 214 students were awarded with medals and certificates. The principal of our school, Reverend Father Anuj Panakal, and Malayalam department teachers received the Pratibha Puraskar from the great writer Mr. Shaukat at the award-giving ceremony conducted at Sahitya Academy in Thrissur district. A melodic tribute to the legendary singer P. Jayachandran. Under the banner of Art and Music Club in our school, we paid a melodic tribute to the legendary Indian playback singer P. Jayachandran. The event was organized to honor his remarkable contribution to the music industry and to inspire students with his soulful melodies and musical journey. The event began with a speech highlighting P. Jayachandran's illustrious career, achievements and contribution to Indian music. His great musical notes were compiled together to present a heart-touching musical show by the students. The tribute was concluded by expressing gratitude to all participants and reaffirming the power of music in bringing people together.
That's all for today's updates. Stay tuned with Marello Media Club, and this is Anna Bini
And Sarah Rivera
signing off.